So when you first sign up, you're going to see this Launchpad, right? For the most part, you can kind of go through the order of this, but it's not mandatory. So one thing I will say is go ahead and get this app. This is not the Clean Biz Network app. This is the Lead Connector app. So what the Lead Connector app does is give you access to these features basically from here to here from your phone. Okay, so let's just say if you want to make phone calls, use your phone feature here, you can use it via your mobile app, right? If you want to use emails or anything with the contacts or your calendars, any of those features you can use using that mobile app. So I highly recommend downloading that. The other thing that you can do is get the Google My Business, connect your Google My Business, rather. So definitely connect your Google My Business to this platform here. Then that way you can start managing your reviews right from within your Clean Biz Network dashboard. Connect your Facebook page for and I actually literally just went over this with the Clean Biz Automation call before this. So when I finish editing it, I'm going to go ahead and put it out. One thing I realized was, even though you guys don't have the automation features, I'm still going to share what the automated features are publicly, just so that case, maybe when you see them, you might actually want to upgrade to that plan. So I will be putting those tutorials out. But I think basic plan members, they might not have, I don't know. Let's see. I don't know if y'all even have access to the Google My Business feature. All right, so I'm gonna come down, I'm gonna click join just to get me to the plans. And Google My Business messaging. Yep, so that is included with y'all. So yeah, so when you come here, I would definitely connect your Google My Business to this. The Facebook, you won't have that out. Matter of fact, as you can see, I don't even have it here because I'm under a basic membership plan probably right now. I'm trying to log in and make it look like y'all's. Definitely connect your Stripe though, so that way you can send invoices and actually accept payments. This is the chatbot. I believe you guys have access to the chatbot. Let's see. Yep, web chat. So what the chatbot does, I went over this a little bit. I'm basically just going to go pretty much real briefly over every little thing, unless somebody asks a question and make me go more in detail. Because I kind of went over most of this stuff already on the previous two tutorials. But what this does is, it's basically going to put a bot kind of similar to this on your website, but it will be however you customize it. So let's just say, for example, if you host your website through us, you can connect. Wait. Let me say it correctly. If you host your website through an external site, you can still use our web chatbot and connect it to external websites. So let's just say you want to run your site through Wix, but you want to have the leads and the chats come through to you and this will connect to your phone app as well. You can connect that and it'll be there. Okay, good. Also, if you build a website internally, then you definitely can connect this, and I'll show you how to do it once I get down to that tab in the website tab. All right, I already went over definitely connect your Stripe account. And then this right here, just connecting your team members, which I showed you how to do in settings as well. But so when you get up here, let's just say you hire a sales manager or somebody that needs to access your dashboard, you can literally add them via this option here, or you can add them in the settings tab. All right, so that is that.